it's Claire at Diamond Painting Nerd, and welcome to another video. So today's video I'm going to share with you how I am storing my canvases, or my kit should I say. So I actually separate out my canvases from my drills, and I just make sure that when I separate my drills that the canvas number appears on the drill packets, and I make sure that they are actually on all of them. And then I keep the drills together in the plastic wallet, just like this. And then what I do is I just store them in this is just a fridge container that I've got. Excuse my squeaky chair. So I just store them all in here. So they have all got the canvas number on, so I can refer back to which one belongs to which kit. Now, there are a lot in here at the moment. I had them lying down, but there were just too many. So as I work through my kits, this will start to diminish. But this is where all of my drills go for now. And then what I do is I actually use this diamond art storage book from Artdot, which I purchased on Amazon, and that is in another one of my videos. So this is an A3 storage wallet, and I actually use it to store my finished pieces of art, but I also use it to store my my canvases, my new canvases on. So this is actually split into two sections in this folder, and the way that I see it is once I've completed it, it's going to go back in here anyway. So the fact that I'm storing them in here just makes perfect sense. So because this is actually in half, what I do is I actually use the first half of the storage folder to store my completed paintings, and then the second half of my storage folder for canvases that I'm yet to work on. As I said, these are only 30 by 40 in size, so these are the maximum size that I can actually fit in here, and other paintings that I have where the canvases are larger than that will just be stored elsewhere, depending on their size. I can either choose to roll them back up, or I could choose to store them somewhere so they're flat, which is the whole idea of why I prefer to keep mine in something like this rather than rolled up in a packet before I start working on it, because I'm going to give it a chance to actually flatten out before I start. So what I'm going to do is just show you that how these go in. So this is a side loading pocket. So what I do is I actually just have two of my 30 by 40 paintings, and I put them back to back, and then I just slot them in like so, and that's how easy it is. And then I can flick backwards and forwards between my diamond paintings to make a decision on which one I might want to complete. Now over time, when this starts to fill up and when it's completely full, then I may have to buy another one of these storage wallets, and I might have one for completed and one for one to store my my new canvases in, but for the minute I've only got a few finished, so I don't really have that much of a problem currently with needing extra storage. And then yeah, we just pop it in there. So when I come then to have a look at wanting to see what paintings that I've got that I want to work on, only problem is this one is the double-sided tape one, so but you can see the image on the top of the canvas, so I know what it is. So I can come to my my folio and just have a flick through to see which one it is that I want to complete next. I've said in a previous video that I desperately want to do this rainbow elephant one as soon as possible, and then I've got some Christmas ones in here also, and then that just folds up and will clip shut, and it just holds them all in one place. So I've not got a load of canvases dotted around being flattened out. Actually, the weight of the finished projects in here should help to flatten the new canvases, so when I come to work on them they should be nice and ready. So I hope you've enjoyed having a look at how I store my canvases. If you've enjoyed today's video, then as always, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button to be notified when I upload my next video. Say hi in the comment section down below. Let me know how you store your canvases. Do you store them in a similar way, or do you have another storage system? I'd be interested to hear. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.